Hello DIY enthusiasts, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share a game-changing hack that will elevate your crafting, tattooing, or salon setup to the next level. In this video, I will guide you through the process of transforming your Hex Hive 2.0 storage organizer into a freestanding masterpiece with the incredible Freestanding Freedom Hack. If you've been struggling to find the perfect storage solution for your craft paint, tattoo ink, or salon hair toner, look no further. The Hex Hive 2.0 is already a fantastic storage organizer, but with the Freestanding Freedom Hack, you'll have the flexibility to place it anywhere in your space, creating a more relaxing and organized environment. Stick around as I take you step by step through the process, providing tips and tricks along the way. Let's dive into the world of DIY and elevate your creative experience with the Hex Hive 2.0 Freestanding Freedom Hack. So let's dive right in. I'm going to be using this Hex Hive 2.0 storage organizer for this demonstration. And let's go ahead and start with step one, which is to lay the organizer flat. You want to ensure that the lower row of pieces are hanging over the edge of the table, creating a stable base for the freestanding hack. And now that we have achieved that, as you can see right here, these are all hanging over the edge of the table. You want to go ahead and go to step two, which is to slide the bottom pieces. You want to carefully slide the bottom pieces about halfway back towards the center of the organizer. And this move sets the foundation for the freestanding transformation, providing balance and stability. Let me go ahead and demonstrate right now. I'm going to hold this nice and firm. I'm going to slide this about halfway down. And I'm going to do that all the way across. Hopefully these camera angles are going to show you what I am doing. And they don't have to be perfect. Just somewhat close. Okay, step two is now complete. We're going to go ahead and go on to step three. Now I am doing this as if you have no extra Hex Hive 2.0 pieces, and I'm going to take pieces off of this one. If you have extra pieces that you're not using, then you can use those instead. But I want to show you how you can go ahead and complete this without having any extra pieces. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the top pieces of this to use on the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and lift this straight off, and you don't want to flip it around at all. Just lift it straight up, bring it straight down to the bottom row, and then slide it right on. And as you could see, I did that with one hand. Probably going to need two hands to do these other pieces here. Try to do it to where you can see on camera. I'm going to pull this piece off. I'm going to bring it straight down. And just a little bit tricky to do on camera. There we go. It's number two. And I'm going to go ahead and go all the way across, and you want to do this for maximum stability. Halfway there. I'm going to go ahead and come on the other side over here and put these last three pieces on. And I'm holding the two pieces that are below the piece I'm taking off. I'm holding them firmly against the table, and that will make it easier to remove the top piece. And the last one, straight up, bring it down, and slide it on there. And now you want to be able to go ahead and look at this and see if it's about halfway. You can slide these accordingly if they're not perfectly in the middle. This one's a little, I'll slide this one down a little bit, but you can slide them down till you get them pretty close to the middle. Now, last step is stand up your new organizer. And as you can see, it is nice and stable. It's not going to tip over. Ideally, I suggest that you go ahead and make sure that it's not a tall, skinny organizer when doing this hack. You want to have it, I would suggest, wider than it is taller to keep it stable. And let me go ahead and bring this one in. And this should show you can see how it's wider on the base and it's just much more stable. So there you have it, the Freestanding Freedom Hack for your Hex Hive 2.0 storage organizer. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more innovative DIY tips and tricks. Have a great day.